Guys, pause another video. Today's video, I want to do another video on cable making. Today's video, we're doing a client build for $15. I'm doing a friend of deal. So I'm making a two-tone color cable. Basically what we're gonna do is here, I'm gonna show you guys how you can combine the two colors onto one cable, which no one so far has ever taught on YouTube. So this is gonna be literally the only video who makes this. I mean, I know how to do it, guys. I physically rather teach you guys because, like, you don't have to buy it from me. Honestly, I don't have a solder. But, legit, all you gotta do is, so basically, you gotta cut, basically, if you have a cable, let's say a 7-foot cable, this is about 7 feet. You gotta cut about half and half for the paracord. Just maybe a little bit smaller than usual. But this is the pink. It's going neon pink and cotton candy. It's gonna be a straight cable. He wants something simple. He wants clear techflex with purple heat shrink. And as usual, USB-C connector since he has a Ducky 1.2 mini. Or 1.2 SF, same thing basically. Can this thing get in? Okay. As usual, guys, you see the paracord. What is going on here? Something's going on that's not letting the paracord go through. Yeah, I think I fixed it. Because it wasn't going through at all. It was being very stubborn. Yeah. Guys, I recently got possibly a client from one of my videos, so thank you guys so much for that. Yeah, so let me get this done. This guy right here has a problem. As you guys can see, or actually, you can't see. This thing got snapped. Now two of them. Well, I have to fix that one. This one I'm doing first because it's a simple build. I have to get it out of the way. That's actually a little bit longer of a build because it takes a little bit longer. Yeah. There's that. I need to get a precision. Let me heat this up. So you take a lighter. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out. Okay, you literally heat it up. You use the blue flame though. My hands are way too close to that. Why does it smell? It shouldn't smell. Got that on. That hurt a little bit. I burned myself almost. Now when you see this, you're probably gonna see this, guys. This guy. This is where you bond it. I'm gonna cut this up a little bit because it's way too flimsy and flamey. That's not even a word. Basically, isn't even a word. Gonna get a lot of like little hair, like fuzz hairs. And that's if you put them together, that will happen. That's how I usually do mine though. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys. But I'm trying not to get on my Mac. See, I don't want to burn this because reason being, it messes up the look of it. But I may have to burn this actually. I'll cut as much as I can until I have to burn it. So I got a purple heat shrink right here. Jeez, I forgot how much heat shrink I actually have. It's kind of absurd. Do I have any more out of here? Yeah, I'm going to pull. Okay, that's good to know. I don't. But I ordered a crap ton more. I probably shouldn't have ordered any blue because I have so much blue already. Okay, and basically what you do is you pull it. If I can actually undo this, Jesus Christ. Of course, the heat shrink is a little bit bent, so it's not going through. There we go, got it. There we go. Now you bring it all the way down to the part where it connects, and you just plop it in right in the middle. My heat gun's already turned on, so I'll show you. You just literally, you blaze it up. Bingo. Okay, that's on. Now you have to put techflex because techflex makes the bond stay. I'm actually gonna cut this off about to here. Where's my wire strippers? Pick that up later. Everything I usually use, I pick up later. We always put a little bit longer just in case it does happen to do it. I'm gonna put it about that long, much longer. I usually do that because for some reason it does that, and I have to always do that. But now we just kind of bonded together. Now, as usual, I don't know if I made a video on the techflex yet. Guys, so we're back with the same video. I took a few days to break. But yeah, so basically, when you have all your techflex on, you want to strip this guy like this to that. That's how you want to do it. You want to strip him. Then you have to cut them off really, but then you strip these wires each the tiniest bit. I showed you guys in my soldering video how much to solder to cut them off with. You want to go small in the USB-C connector, small. So yeah, you want the smallest bit there. You can see those little shiny pieces. That is how much. If you guys hear my dog, I'm sorry, they're being little idiots. Now is where you turn your soldering iron, and I almost just dropped my gun. Trying to turn on the soldering iron. My sleeves always stay up. For some reason, this shirt hates staying up. Or slash hoodie. It never likes staying up, so we'll try to rip them if we need to. Right there. Right now, just about hitting up 2 degrees. Now I'm gonna spin these out. Actually, I'm gonna pull this guy over here. Put the USB-C connector or whatever connector you're using on the other pin. No, handle thingamajig. I'm gonna clean up your soldering iron, and now we can start tinning the wire. Tinning that bitch. Okay, this is the pain part, is actually trying to line this shit up. Got it, okay. Now I'm gonna clean this again. Now we're gonna clean this up one more time. Now we're gonna do these guys. That one looks a lot better. See, I got a new brass cleaner for solders. It works pretty well. So yeah, I believe we're good on that now. I'll put on the housing later.